Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect and discuss the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today, we're diving into the world of vibrant hair colors with a focus on one of the best purple hair dyes.
for unbleached hair available in the market, Arctic Fox's Purple AF.
If you're looking to add a pop of color to your locks without the hassle of bleaching, then Purple AF might just be your new best friend.
Let's uncover why this semi-permanent hair dye has been making waves. First things first, let's talk about the application process. Arctic Fox's Purple AF is a breeze to apply, thanks to its cream formulation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time dyer, you'll find that this dye glides on smoothly, ensuring even coverage and vibrant results. But what sets Purple AF apart from the rest? Well, besides its stunning shade of purple, this dye is formulated with vegan ingredients and is cruelty-free,
making it a guilt-free option for animal lovers and eco-conscious consumers alike. One of the standout features of Purple AF is its longevity.
Unlike other dyes that fade quickly, leaving you with lackluster color, Arctic Fox's formula is designed to go the distance. With proper care and maintenance, you can enjoy vibrant purple locks for weeks on end.
But don't just take our word for it.
Customers rave about Purple AF's ability to deliver bold, long-lasting color without damaging their hair. Plus, its sweet scent and conditioning properties leave locks feeling soft, silky, and oh so touchable. So, whether you're a purple hair aficionado or someone looking to switch up their look, Arctic Fox's Purple AF is the go-to choice for vibrant, cruelty-free color.
With its easy application, long-lasting formula, and stunning results, this dye is sure to make a statement.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on all your favorite beauty products. Until next time, stay colorful.